Hey sleepers, Keith here from Tuck. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Helix Midnight mattress. Now Helix has a bit of a different business model. They actually want you to take a quiz where they match you with one of their many beds. The Midnight being their middle-of-the-road mattress meant to suit a majority of sleepers. But how does it stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. Testing the mattress today, we have lightweight sleeper Rachel, average weight sleeper Charles, and heavyweight sleeper Neil. To unbox the Helix Midnight mattress, grab a friend and move the mattress to its final destination. Remove the roll pack mattress from the cardboard and cut open the plastic. Give the mattress about 24 to 48 hours to recover to its full height. The Midnight is a 10.5-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is a dual-layer stretch polyester. The comfort layer consists of 2.5 PCF polyfoam. The support core consists of a medium IFD transitional polyfoam on top of pocketed coils that sit on top of a high-density polyfoam base. The Midnight is about a 5.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium mattress. It has a hybrid feel, so you do feel some conforming, and it's a bit more responsive than a traditional memory foam mattress. To test support, we look at spinal alignment across each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. We found that the Helix Midnight supported our average weight sleeper better than our light and heavyweight sleepers. To illustrate motion isolation, we put our heavyweight sleeper Neil on one side of the bed and a glass filled with water on the other. As you can see, when Neil moves around his side of the bed, the water glass on the other barely moves. Looking at edge support on the Helix Midnight, we found that all three of our sleepers did experience some sinkage when sitting on the edge of the bed. When sleeping close to the edge of the bed, the pocketed coil support cord did provide some edge support, but not quite as much as we experienced when testing other hybrid beds. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell how much pressure a mattress can relieve. Looking at all three of our sleeper weights, the Helix Midnight did a good job relieving pressure. You'll notice that each of our sleepers did experience some pressure on their hips and shoulders when sleeping on their side, but it's only yellow and green, so a moderate amount and no peaking. When looking at temperature neutrality, we found that the Helix Midnight mattress does a decent job staying temperature neutral throughout the night. Being a hybrid, the Midnight does a decent job promoting airflow throughout the mattress. Now let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. All right, Neil, what did you think of the Helix Midnight mattress?
You know, I think this is a pretty comfy mattress, but it would probably be more comfy for somebody who is a little bit smaller.
I liked some aspects of it. I thought it did have some support, which was good, but it's a little too firm for me.
Foam is like decently soft. It's just kind of thin. After 5 seconds, you get all of the sink you're gonna get, and then you just feel the support underneath pushing back a little.
Great, so if you had to pick a position, side, back, or stomach, which was the most comfortable for you?
For me, on this one, it was actually my back. I did like the support it did give on my back.
Probably back. With the side, the firmness of it was just too predominant. I could just feel the fact I wasn't sinking in the way I like.
Okay, great, thanks. Now let's take a look at how the Helix Midnight stacked up in our mattress tests. The mattress has a hybrid feel, so it won't be as conforming as a memory foam mattress, but will be a bit more responsive and have a little more bounce. For support, the mattress scored good for light and heavyweight sleepers and very good for average weight sleepers. Motion isolation was good, and edge support was also good. For pressure relief, the mattress scored very good across all three sleeper weights. And lastly, temperature neutrality was good. Couple takeaways from our mattress testing. The Helix Midnight mattress is actually a little firmer than advertised. This is meant to be their middle-of-the-road medium firm mattress, and we actually found it a little firmer than that. If you prefer an all foam or a traditional memory foam feel, the Midnight's probably not going to be for you, as you really can feel the coils when you sink down through the initial layer of foam. We recommend Helix for those sleepers that aren't sure what firmness they need. Helix offers a wide range of beds and a sleep quiz on the site. We highly recommend you take that sleep quiz and they'll direct you to the right one. We recommend this mattress for back sleepers. It performed better on back than side and stomach across all of our testers. Light and average weight sleepers are ideal for the Midnight. We found that our heavier sleeper, Neil, just didn't quite get the support that he needed from this mattress. Also, couples are a great fit for this bed. The motion isolation was great, and you're really not gonna feel your partner as you move around the bed at night. Here's some additional information you'll want to know when looking at purchasing the Helix Midnight. The mattress comes with a 100-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a lifetime warranty. For the latest discounts and pricing information, check the description below or visit the full written review on tuck.com. That's it for our Helix Midnight review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll get back to you if you have any questions at all. Visit tuck.com, Facebook, and Twitter to find all the latest sleep news from Tuck and to enter one of our awesome giveaways. Sleep well.